Como Lake. Nestled amidst the picturesque landscape of northern Italy, Como Lake stands as one of the most enchanting and celebrated destinations in the world. Surrounded by majestic mountains and dotted with charming villages, this stunning glacial lake offers a myriad of activities and attractions for visitors to indulge in. Como Lake is a true paradise for travelers seeking natural beauty, historical richness, and adventure. With its charming towns, enchanting villas, and stunning landscapes, it promises an unforgettable experience for all who visit. Whether you choose to explore the picturesque villages, indulge in water sports, or immerse yourself in the region's history and culture, Como Lake will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. So, pack your bags and set forth on an unforgettable journey to this magical destination. Visit the enchanting town of Bellagio. Known as the Pearl of Como Lake, Bellagio is a must-visit town that exudes timeless charm and elegance. Stroll through its narrow cobblestone streets, lined with boutique shops, cafes, and picturesque gardens. The gardens of Villa Melzi, a neoclassical villa, are a true gem, offering stunning views of the lake and an impressive collection of exotic plants. Don't miss the chance to explore Villa Cerboloni, an enchanting 19th-century villa surrounded by a vast, lush park. Explore Varena's romantic atmosphere. Situated on the eastern shore of Como Lake, Brunate is a quaint village that entices travelers with its romantic ambience. Walk along the charming promenade, savoring the breathtaking views of the lake and the nearby mountains. Discover the medieval Vasio Castle, perched atop a hill, which offers panoramic vistas and a falconry show. For a unique experience, visit the Orito di Bolano, a natural gorge with cascading waterfalls and ancient bridges. Discover the splendor of Villa Carlotta. A visit to Como Lake wouldn't be complete without exploring Villa Carlotta, located in Tremesina. This neoclassical villa showcases an impressive art collection and stunning botanical gardens with rare plants and colorful blooms. Take a leisurely stroll through the gardens and immerse yourself in the tranquility and beauty of this historic estate. Embrace nature in the Grigni Mountains. For the adventurous souls, the Grigni Mountains provide a perfect playground for hiking and trekking. The rugged terrain offers a variety of trails suitable for different skill levels, granting breathtaking views of Como Lake and its surroundings. Whether you're an experienced hiker or a novice, the Grigni Mountains offer an unforgettable outdoor experience. Take a boat trip on Como Lake. One of the best ways to admire the captivating beauty of the lake is by taking a boat trip. Several boat tours are available, ranging from leisurely cruises to private charters. Marvel at the magnificent villas that dot the shores and bask in the tranquility of the serene waters. Enjoy water sports. Como Lake's crystal-clear waters provide an excellent opportunity for water sports enthusiasts. Engage in activities like kayaking, windsurfing, or paddleboarding, and relish the serene surroundings while gliding across the lake. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.